Okay, so for this song we're going to need an A chord, a D chord and an E chord. So to make a major chord we get our root note, which is A, for an A chord. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4 steps up, and then 1, 2, 3 steps up. So here's our A chord. For a D chord we need D, 1, 2, 3, 4, F sharp, 1, 2, 3, A, D chord. And for our E chord we need E, 1, 2, 3, 4, G sharp, 1, 2, 3, B. So that's A chord, D chord, E chord. Now in reggae we don't play on the beat, we play off beat chords, which means we play on beat number 2 and 4. So an A chord would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or in the case of Three Little Birds, we play in between the beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This sheet shows you the order to play the chords in. But rather than moving up and down the piano like this, we can use something called inversions. So we play an A chord in root position, and then for a D chord we need a D, an F sharp, and we're also already on an A. So we can move really easily between an A chord and a D chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. From our A chord we can also move easily to an E chord using inversions. For an E chord you need an E, a G sharp and a B. So we're still using the same notes of the chord but in a different inversion. A chord, E, A, D, A. So using inversions means that we can move easily between our chords. For this song, we need to play in this order. Each box is 1 bar and it's worth 4 beats. So we would go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So here we go. A chord, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's our intro. For the chorus, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and D chord, A chord, A chord, D, 2 and 3 and 4 and A chord. Moving on to the verse, it goes A, E, A, D, A, E, D, A. And this is where our inversions make our lives a lot easier. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, E chord, A, D, A, 2 and 3 and 4, E, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, D, 2 and 3 and A, and 4 and. those are the chords for Three Little Birds.